So this EURJPY analysis for Wednesday, the 4th of April. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the euro yen, and what we did see was we did see quite a bit of sales momentum coming to the market from this 31.30. Strong price action coming down towards that 131. Tested 131, had a brief bounce, tested 131. No, sorry, the 130, not 131, 130. Formed a bit of a bounce, 130 again, formed a bit of a bounce, so a strong progression to the upside beyond the 130.60. We didn't quite get towards that 130.94. Prices have stalled somewhat in around this 130.60. We've had a brief move upwards, saw sell-side momentum heading to a bit of a range. We've been finding resistance in around this 400 period moving average, as we can see here. We're seeing quite a bit of sell-side momentum in off this 400 period moving average. So if we do see this continued sell-side momentum, we could possibly see a test of that 130.60. Strong, very strong major level marked out here in red. Previously found support there more recently. If we do break down from this 130.60, this very strong major level marked out here in red, we're looking for price to retest the old lows in around that 130. Ultimately down towards that 129.95. And if we're not able to find support there, we're looking for a breakdown towards that 129.45, which I'll expect to be far end of the range if we do have a particularly volatile day here on the euro against the yen. If, however, we can break and hold above the 400 period moving average, we do have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average as well, pretty close by, just beneath us. So if we can break and hold above these levels, we're looking for a test of that 30.94, successful break from which we'll see our prices react towards that 131.30, our most recent swing here in the market. But ultimately we're looking for a price move beyond the 131.30 to head up towards a very strong major level of the 31.70. 31.70 marked out here in red. We've previously found resistance at the 31.70, and again we'd expect it to provide some difficulty for prices if we were to head up towards that 31.30 here on the euro yen. Now what we'll do now, we'll have a brief look at the daily chart just to see how price is developing here on the euro yen. And we head over to the daily chart, we get scale on here correct. As you can see, price action is somewhat indecisive. We've had a strong trend here to the downside, posted a high. We've posted a lower low, but we've not seen the momentum follow through from this lower low. Instead, what we have seen is some bullish buy side momentum come into the market, retested the 200 period moving average, saw some sell side momentum, found some bullish buy side momentum here. So there is a potential for this to be a higher low. So having a low, potential higher low, if we do see that momentum follow through to the upside, we'll be looking for if we do see a price movement beyond 31.70, we're then looking for prices head up towards that 32.02. Around 32.02, we do also got the added confluence of 200 period moving average on the daily chart, which could act as further confluence for bearish momentum to re-enter the market. And with that said, that wraps up Euro Yen analysis. Thanks for watching.